Warning, the following video contains graphic scenes of a dirty microwave. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, this is Rob the Picky Daddy, back with another review of the best stuff to waste your money on. Today we are going to a very scary place. A place so frightening, it makes the Upside Down in Stranger Things seem like Disney World. A place so blood-curdling, it can make a strong grown man scream in agony just at the mere thought of it. Yes, my friends, today we are going to the dirty microwave! Now, before we take this creepy journey, we have to make sure we're protected, because who knows what evil demons lurk inside. Okay, I think we're ready. If I don't make it back alive, someone tell my kids I love them, but they still have to clean their rooms. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm slowly walking towards the microwave. I can feel my heart racing. I'm gonna get close now. I'm gonna slowly reach out and open the door. Oh, what is all that? I can't breathe. It's choking me. I gotta get out of here. Okay, maybe I was over-exaggerating just a little bit there. Just a little. But that microwave sure is nasty though, isn't it? And since you're watching this video, I bet yours is too. And I bet you take the same approach that I do when it comes to cleaning it, which is hoping and praying that somebody else does. Fortunately, my prayers have never been answered, which is why I've never won the lottery or lost weight from eating Wendy's Baconators. But that's another story. Because today is going to be different. Chef Boyardee may have won the last battle in there, but today I fight back. And when I say I, what I really mean is she's going to do it. Yes, say hello to Angry Mama. And she's pissed. And you can tell she's one bad mother just by how she came in the box. I mean, look at this. She was busting through the plastic. The side was ripped. You can't keep her down in her quest for cleanliness, that's for sure. Now, I respect women, so the instructions on how to fill up Angry Mama are a little disturbing. First, you have to twist and rip off her hair. And then you pull her head off. And then you'll see here, there's a line where you fill up with vinegar, and then you fill the rest up with water. You put her back together, you put her in the microwave for 7 minutes, and then hopefully your microwave is ready to be wiped clean. So let's try it out. All right, so here's the vinegar, and it's kind of hard to see from the outside, to be honest. So can't tell. Looks like this ridge over here is higher than where the vinegar is supposed to go. So, but I'm going to dump some more of this. Look a little bit out there. All right, so let's just put a little bit more there. I think that's about right. All right, now we will do the rest here with the water, and we should be able to easily see that. I think now you can see. Yeah, you can see there. Okay, so we got the right level up there on the water. And now we will put her back together again. All right, I think she's ready for battle. All right, Angry Mama is locked and loaded, and we are gonna send her in now to the microwave. All right. Godspeed, Angry Mama, Godspeed. All right, now the instructions said 7 minutes on high. So we got less than 10 seconds to go. Excited to see how effective Angry Mama is. All right, let's see. Here we go. Yeah. What the hell, Angry Mama? I think it's even dirtier than before. I don't remember all those crumbs in there. The hell? You failed, Angry Mama. You failed. So I was all ready to kick Angry Mama to the curb over there, but then I found this review on Amazon that said that she tried it the first time and it didn't work, but then realized that you have to push the hair down until it snaps, apparently, and that's what makes the steam actually come out instead of evaporating in there. So we'll give it one more try, see if Angry Mama can redeem herself. Alright, so let's try this again. I've refilled her back up with the water and vinegar, and I think this little design here looks like this apron thing probably is the front. I think last time I put her head on backwards, again, not reflective of my view towards women, just a little accident. Alright, so now we're going to see if we can try to put this on till it snaps. I can't really know if you're supposed to twist it until it, I mean, it feels like it locks if you twist it. It does feel like it kind of locks, but I can pick it right up back up again. So let's see. I mean, that feels like it's in place, and I don't know if you can see, I mean, the holes are all open, so we're gonna give it one more go. All right, this is your last chance, Mama. Do us proud. All right, again. There we go. All right, round two coming to an end here. Hopefully we've got better results this time. And same result. Well, Mama, you suck. And I am definitely not going to ask you to go clean my kid's room after this performance. Yeah, you're not so angry after all, are you? Yeah, maybe you can give this to your kids and throw some baking soda in there. They can maybe do a baking soda volcano. Maybe then she'll erupt. But she's certainly not doing it in the microwave as intended, which sucks. That means I'm going to have to clean this the hard way. Yeah, you don't scare me with that face. I even tried it 3 more times after that one, and same thing. It just evaporated in there. You know, I don't know, maybe I got a defective one. I mean, you saw the packaging was all ripped and stuff. There's so many great reviews on Amazon, so it could just be a dud this case. But, you know, for me, I'm going to have to actually scrub it with my hands. You know, I'm not looking forward to that. Well, that's what happens sometimes when you do honest product reviews. Sometimes things just don't work. Again, maybe I just got a defective one. I mean, there are like a ton of 5-star reviews on Amazon, so I did put a link down in the video description. So if you want to waste $9 and, you know, press your luck, and maybe she'll work for you. I don't know. Now, if you like this video and want to see what else I can explode in my microwave, or just want to see some more honest product reviews, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on so you never miss another Picky Daddy review again. But for now, I'm going to go look for the next best thing to waste my money on. So until next time, this is Rob the Picky Daddy. See you later. Bye-bye.
PickyDaddy.com